Hello everyone. We had a little bit of an issue. If you're actually getting like a real major error when you try to go into NinjaTrader, that basically a little error comes up that says agile.net was put on in a trial version, something like that's what it says. You're not going to be able to get into NinjaTrader. There was actually a snafu with the basically the CLI secure software that we use to encrypt our scripts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix that. Now keep in mind you can always contact me. Just go to the contact link, call my phone number, give me a TeamViewer ID and password, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But let's go ahead and start. If you'll go to the vipertradingsystems.com to our website and go ahead and download the latest scripts, okay? Now, and see the latest script is dated 9/20 of 23, so just simply click that and see the script here, OTPlus 09. Now, if you need the templates and everything, you can also do those, but I'll be more than happy to help you by contact too. Right now, we're only going to need this one right here. So see, it's OTPlus 0920. You just simply download it to your download folder like that. Now, what I'm going to do next is, since I can't go into NinjaTrader because there's a problem with our encryption script, we're going to have to go into our File Explorer down here at the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to simply open a File Explorer. And now I'm going to open my Documents folder. And I'm going to go to NinjaTrader 8. Let me go ahead and go down here a little bit. NinjaTrader 8, open it. And then I'm going to open Bin, Custom, and we've got to remove the scripts because something happened to our secure encryption. It's still encrypted, but it won't let you even load Ninja. So you have to do this if you get that error. You'll go to Documents, NinjaTrader 8, Bin, Custom. Now you're going to want to remove Xseed Toolkit. Right here, see xseed.wpf.toolkit. You're going to also want to remove OTPlus. So hold your control key down, left click your mouse, and left click your mouse one more time. You'll notice now that I'm removing these three DLL files. It's very important because something happened to the encryption and it's not letting this go through NinjaTrader. So just simply highlight them like that, right click, and delete them, okay? But you're not out of the woods yet, okay? What you have to do then is you close this, you go into NinjaTrader, all right? And you're not going to be able to import the new scripts yet because now you have a reference folder in NinjaTrader that we have to delete also. So wait for NinjaTrader to come up and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So now you go to your NinjaTrader. See, notice that NinjaTrader did open up now, okay, because I removed those three files. Now you're going to go to your control center to New, NinjaScript Editor. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually open the indicators file. See the indicators right here? Double click it and pick any indicator. It does not matter. Just double click it. All right. Now you'll notice that if I try to compile this, I'm going to get errors. See these errors? That's because this code that locked up with the encryption process is still in your reference folder. So what you have to do is you right click inside this little code here, right click, go to references. You'll notice that my references is up now. And what I've got to do is I've got to remove the same three files. See that Xseed Toolkit? Hold my control key down, the Object Power Trader controls, and the OTPlus. Those have to be removed for this to ever compile again. So remove them, click OK, right click, and compile. Okay, now you're ready to import the newest scripts that are not having that issue. Something happened with the encryption code and it literally is stopping NinjaTrader from coming up. Okay, now you notice that I did download my scripts from the website. I'll go back to it again and show you. See, I just went up here and downloaded that. It goes into my download folder. See my downloads? All right, so all I have to do now is just simply go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. Okay, I'll go over that one more time. Tools, import, NinjaScript add-on. And then you'll see that this is in my download folder, right? Bear with me a second. Go to my download folder right here. See the OTPlus? I downloaded 2 of them. You don't need 2, obviously. But we're going to just simply double click on one of those. I'll just click on the latest one. Doesn't matter. Double click it. It's a third-party add-on, so say OK. Let it load. And you are ready to go. Just make sure your normal templates on your charts and everything, and you are good to go. This error that came through on that encryption software was immediately taken care of literally last night at like at 11 p.m. We got a couple of emails where people couldn't pull up NinjaTrader. So we looked into it, called our programmer. We figured it out between the 2 of us. I got a hold of agile.net way overseas, and they made sure to get us a new license node. So basically, we re-encrypted the scripts and put them back out there. So if you'll go through this exact process that I just showed you, you'll be back up and running. But as always, just remember, I've got the best support anywhere. So if you'll just simply go to vipertradingsystems.com, I'll back this up a little bit, and go to our contact link, you'll see the phone number to get hold of me, and be sure and download TeamViewer from right here on our website. Okay, that should do it. I'm going to send out an email to everyone. Now, if you have done all this, you don't need to do it again. If your Ninja's working and I helped you with it, or Mike helped you with it in the room this morning, you're good to go. Okay, thanks everyone, and sorry about the issue. It simply says that agile.net was put on with a trial, and it wasn't, but it was some kind of a mess up in their code. So it has been fixed. Okay, thanks again. Bye.